Hi, my friends. It's Rob Schout. Let's get carried away by a poem today from Listen, Wisdom from Nature in Poetic Form. I want to read the poem and then I want to talk to you a little bit about the poem's meaning and why I wrote it in the first place. But let's get underway, my friends. The poem today is One Step at a Time. The mind, like the earth, is made for traversing. No land, sea, space, or sound is out of bounds. No points nor places were created for us not to go. We were made to explore inner and outer worlds, discovering and uncovering our heavens on earth. There are no mountains above or below uninvited to ascend. No gullies nor canyons that we cannot cross, no forest primeval too dark to discover. No rivers we cannot wade through, nor oceans we cannot sail. No valleys too deep, nor cliffs too steep. No meadows hidden with peace behind that we are not meant to see and find. No hills too high, nor rocks too jagged that will not offer themselves as handholds, footholds, ladders along the pathways of life, steadying our step and giving us rise. No roads too long, paths too worn, weather too storm, ice too cold, seas too deep, deserts too barren, that we will not find refuge from and within. The very earth and all of its inhabitants, small and large, animate and inanimate, breathe reassurance, created as companions, clear our paths, show us the way, support us, mingle among us, joining us on wing and foot along the way for a while or a day, reminding us that we are never alone. We traverse the earth as we do life, one step, one question, one answer, one yes, one willingness to push on and forge ahead with thoughts of I can, why not? Let go. One step at a time it happens, this ascension, this discovery. And so another step it is that I shall take. I wrote that as I was walking along a path in the midst of the mountains, stumbling on some rocks and grabbing for some handholds along some sheer rock faces. And then I stopped at an overhang, looking out over the vast distance of plains below. And I thought about how every step that we take on a path or up a cliff or along a beachhead or in a forest or simply down a street is a metaphor for what it means to move forward in life. Because there are rocks along the way, there are uneven paths, there are obstacles in our path. But we do it every single day. We move around obstacles, we go down many paths, even the unknown paths, with some assurance that we'll find our way. So I hope that you can read this poem, maybe pick up a copy of Listen. And I hope that each poem, once you read it, you take time to reflect because that's why I wrote them. Poems can be provocative, they can be contemplative, not just peaceful or full of joy or wild abandon. They are meant to teach us something. And nature poems are the voiced wisdom from nature, teaching us about life. So I hope you enjoyed getting carried away by this poem today. My name is Rob Schout. I'll see you another day.